Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Crack 3 eggs into a bowl, add 2 tablespoon milk, a pinch of salt, and 1/4 tsp black pepper. Whisk until slightly frothy for a light omelet. Finely chop 1 small onion and 1 green chili, and grate 50 g of cheese so fillings melt quickly. Preheat a 10-inch nonstick pan and add 1 tablespoon oil, swirling to coat. The oil should shimmer but not smoke. Keep all fillings ready near the stove. Because street-style, pour the beaten eggs into the preheated pan on medium-high heat and immediately tilt the pan to spread eggs evenly for a thin base. After 1 minute, the edges should set. Use a spatula to lift edges and tilt uncooked egg toward the pan, then continue cooking another 2 minutes until mostly set. Scatter the chopped onion, green chili, and 50 g cheese on one half, fold the other half over, press gently for 30 seconds to seal and finish melting the cheese. Slide the omelet onto a plate and serve hot with 1/2 a lime to squeeze over and a side of green chutney or ketchup for that street-style tang. For added texture, you can toast bread slices or wrap the omelet in a warmed paratha or tortilla. This creates a handheld street snack that stays warm longer. If you must store leftovers, cool quickly and refrigerate up to 24 hours. Then reheat until the center reaches 75 degrees C to ensure safety and best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.